Hey, alumni and friends, welcome to Season 4 of A View from Rounds Tower. We're super excited to give you some updates from campus today. My colleague Carson has interviewed one of our orientation leaders and is going to give you a little update on what's going on there. And there's a couple other construction project updates, and we'll walk you around and show you those as well. Glad you're here. Let's go check out what Carson has to say.
Hey everyone, June orientation is a time when we welcome the incoming class to Plymouth State, this year, the class of 2030. I've asked a couple of our orientation leaders what their favorite part of orientation is, so let's go hear what they have to say.
Hi, my name's Carly,
Hi, I'm Lily.
and my favorite part about orientation would have to be the freshmen getting familiar with their campus and getting ready for the next 4 years.
And my favorite part about orientation is meeting all the new students and giving them a nice warm welcome to campus.
Thanks, Carson. It's always great to hear from our students. Next, we're going to walk you around a couple of other spots on campus. First, we've been redoing the surface of the parking lot in front of Rounds Tower. This is what's happening. So it looks great. Stripes are on. Pretty soon we'll be ready to park in it. Next, I want to show you a little bit about what we're doing with Foley Gym. Doesn't it look amazing? The paint is coming in. It's lined for basketball, lined for volleyball. The new logo's coming in. Look how much brighter the floor is. Look at the ceiling with the white paint over the old red metal. It just makes everything pop and look just fresh and awesome. Super excited to show it to all of you next time you make it back to campus. Thanks for joining us for our kickoff video for Season 4 of A View from Rounds Tower. We're excited to bring you more throughout the summer, and if there's anything you'd like to see, please send us an email to alumni@plymouth.edu. Thanks.